Hello and good morning from Amersfoort. Today in this video I'm gonna be exploring this charming medieval city located in the heart of Netherlands. So let's get started and see what this city has to offer. Our first stop is Koppelpoort. Let me give you some information about Koppelpoort.
Koppelpoort is a medieval gate located in Amersfoort, and its history dates back to the 14th century. It combined land and water gates. Koppelpoort is one of the most iconic landmarks in Amersfoort.
Now I'm heading to Ons Lief Vrouwtoren, so let's check it out.
We have the Ons Lief Vrouwtoren, also known as the Tower of Our Lady. This tower stands at over 98 meters tall and is the third highest church tower in the Netherlands. You can climb to the top for stunning view of the city.
Now I am heading to a famous Dutch painter called Mondrian. So I'm gonna head over to his house. Let's check it out.
We have the Mondrian house, the birthplace of Piet Mondrian, where Piet Mondrian was born in 1872. He is one of the most famous Dutch painters of the 20th century. You can visit his childhood home and see some of his early works.
Next I am heading to the Hof Square, so let's check it out.
I am at the Hope Weekly Market in Amersfoort, and it is incredible. The vibrant colors, the delicious smells, and the friendly people make it a must-visit spot in the city. From fresh flowers to handmade crafts and delicious food, there is something for everyone here. So if you are in Amersfoort, don't miss the chance to explore this lively and charming market.
Okay, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.